Alright. One more option. Selecting this face, another face, sketch. Now we're going to have a circle now. Alright. We have multiple options now again. Extrude. Now I can use cut option. If I use distance, it can pass on the distance whatever I want, but I don't want distance. I will use 2next. You have seen, okay? If you say through all, it will go through all the geometry it has, okay? Doesn't matter whether you have multiple features in between or only single feature in between. It will just cut through all, okay? You can see here. Or you do have another option called intersect, which makes delete the other option, keeping the original options there. And use this option intersect, deleting the other options. Okay, it is something like we use the algebraic functions. So when we use A intersection B, it will give you only this particular path. A intersection B. You don't have C here. Okay. When you see intersection C as well, then you will see along with this. So it doesn't matter how many features you have, it will just give all these. Okay. When you say A intersection B, if you see only B, A intersection B only this. So that way